Hello, welcome to Touring Globe. Photography in tourism. A powerful tool for capturing and promoting destinations. Photography plays an integral role in the tourism industry, serving as both a form of art and an essential marketing tool. From breathtaking landscapes to intimate cultural moments, photography helps to showcase the beauty and uniqueness of a destination, attracting potential travelers and inspiring wanderlust. In this long script, we'll explore the multifaceted impact of photography on tourism, its influence on travel decisions, and how it shapes modern travel experiences.
1. The role of photography in promoting destinations. One of the most significant contributions of photography to the tourism industry is its role in destination promotion.
Tourism boards, travel agencies, and local businesses rely heavily on high-quality images to market a place and attract visitors. A well-crafted photograph can communicate the essence of a location, from its natural beauty to the warmth of its people. These images, often shared across digital platforms, brochures, and advertisements, become the primary visual representation of a destination. For instance, when tourists see a stunning photograph of a tropical beach with crystal-clear waters, they may be inspired to visit that location. Likewise, images showcasing the local culture, history, and cuisine often spark interest in travelers who wish to immerse themselves in new experiences. As a result, photography has become a central tool in tourism marketing campaigns, amplifying the reach of a destination and influencing travel choices.
2. Storytelling through photography. Beyond just a representation of a place, photography in tourism also serves as a powerful storytelling medium.
A single image can evoke emotions and connect with travelers on a personal level. Photographers, whether professionals or amateurs, often aim to capture the story behind a location, its people, traditions, and everyday life, giving potential tourists a glimpse into a world beyond the typical tourist attractions. For example, a photograph of a local artisan crafting handmade goods or a close-up shot of a traditional dance during a cultural festival can create an emotional connection to the destination. Through storytelling in photography, the tourist experience is made more authentic, as it highlights the unique and often overlooked aspects of a place.
3. The rise of social media and travel photography. In the age of social media, the relationship between photography and tourism has become even more intertwined.
Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook have transformed how destinations are marketed and experienced. Travel photography has evolved from professional photographers capturing iconic images to ordinary travelers sharing their own experiences through photos. With the rise of influencers and user-generated content, photography has become a key driver in spreading travel trends. Travelers often take to social media to share their personal experiences, posting pictures of scenic spots, local food, and memorable encounters. These images, often hashtagged and geotagged, can reach thousands, if not millions, of potential tourists. The visual appeal of these photographs often influences where people choose to go, what they want to see, and how they want to experience a destination. The term Instagrammable has even become a popular way to describe locations that are visually striking, further highlighting photography's impact on tourism.
4. The impact of photography on local economies. The influence of photography extends beyond the realm of tourism marketing. It has a tangible impact on local economies.
By capturing the beauty of a destination, photographers not only attract visitors but also stimulate economic activity. Tourists who are drawn in by striking photographs are more likely to spend money on accommodations, dining, transportation, and local attractions. Additionally, the tourism industry itself benefits from the marketing exposure provided by photographs, leading to an increase in bookings and travel-related business. Certain regions or landmarks have become synonymous with iconic photographs, becoming bucket list destinations for travelers. The Sydney Opera House, the Eiffel Tower, and the Grand Canyon are just a few examples of famous locations that have been immortalized in photographs, driving tourism and supporting local economies.
5. Sustainable tourism and responsible photography. While photography has undoubtedly enhanced the tourism industry, it's also essential to address its role in promoting sustainable tourism practices.
As tourism continues to grow, there's a growing emphasis on responsible photography that respects both the environment and the local communities. Photographers are encouraged to be mindful of their impact on fragile ecosystems, wildlife, and indigenous cultures when capturing images. Sustainable tourism photography emphasizes the need to preserve the integrity of a location while promoting its beauty. It encourages photographers to capture images that raise awareness of conservation efforts, highlight cultural heritage, and advocate for responsible travel practices. By showcasing eco-friendly destinations and ethical travel experiences, photographers can play a crucial role in promoting sustainable tourism and supporting long-term preservation of natural and cultural treasures.
6. Photography as an artistic expression. Photography in tourism is not just about capturing images for marketing purposes, it is also an art form.
Many travel photographers use their craft to express creativity and capture the world's most beautiful or inspiring moments. Through their lenses, they reveal hidden gems, intricate details, and the raw beauty of the places they visit. These images go beyond promoting a destination, they celebrate the artistry of photography itself. Travel photography allows for an exploration of light, composition, and perspective. Whether it's capturing the early morning glow over a mountain range or the bustling streets of a city, photographers have the power to convey emotions and moods that resonate deeply with viewers. The art of travel photography elevates the experience of tourism, as it encourages travelers to see the world through a different lens and appreciate the beauty in both the grand and the subtle.
7. Photography and travel memories. For tourists themselves, photography serves as a way to preserve and relive travel memories.
In an era where nearly everyone carries a camera in their pocket through smartphones, photos have become the tangible souvenirs of our journeys. They not only capture the iconic moments, like summiting a mountain or visiting a famous landmark, but also the small, intimate details that make each trip unique. Travel photography allows individuals to document their personal experiences, create lasting memories, and share those moments with friends and family. For many, the photographs taken during their travels become cherished reminders of the adventures they've had and the new places they've discovered.
Conclusion. Photography is an essential element of the tourism industry, influencing how destinations are perceived, marketed, and experienced.
Through stunning visuals, photography captures the essence of a place, tells compelling stories, and inspires travel. With the rise of social media and user-generated content, the impact of photography on tourism continues to grow, shaping modern travel trends and encouraging exploration of the world. As we move toward a more sustainable future, responsible and ethical photography will play a crucial role in promoting destinations that prioritize conservation and cultural respect. Ultimately, photography not only captures the world's beauty but also helps us connect with it in deeper, more meaningful ways. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the information engaging and valuable. Your viewership encourages us to keep creating and sharing more exciting material. If you enjoyed what you saw, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and become a part of our growing community. Your subscription not only motivates us but also helps us reach more viewers like you. Join us on this journey, and together, let's explore new ideas and experiences. See you in the next video.